And this is my CS50W project 3 on commerce. And under the commerce, we have the auction file. So here's my model.py. And the problem says it should be 3 minimum. And here we are with the 5 models here. Let's go to the URL. This is I'm not signed in for now. And this is my active listing. So let's start by logging in. I'm logging now. I can see the categories, watch list, and create listing part also. So this is my active listing now. Let's start by creating a list. For creating a list, we gonna make a awkward trunk. So this is the title. We have to provide title essentially and description. Copy this. This is enough. Paste. And the starting price $75. The optional image. This is the image and category. Should go with the equipment and create it. Now we redirect it to the active listing and we can see our div trunk. Yeah, we can also make some like one. Let's make a one for this. Harry Potter's one. The description. The starting price should be $44. And is it optional? So I would give the URL here. Category is also optional. Uh, so for that I'm gonna go with the equipment or the equipment. Create it. Now I can see the list item here, but without any images. I can go to the listing, view listing, and here I can see the name, the description, and image as it's not available, and the price I can also bid here. So let's start bidding for this one. For that I should log up and log in with the another user. So for that different, I should go with the view listing, and let's start bidding. It's 275. If I give the price, it's 274, which is lower than the current price, and try to place the bid. The error should be there. Bid must be at least of starting price. So let's now 76, which is, and try to place a bid, and bid is placed successfully. After that, we can also put the comment here like and post the comment too. After this, if I go with the username which made that listing, login, and in listing, if I go and see the number, total number of bid, it's now one. And as the listing is made by the user one, I close that option, try to log in again. And now if I go to my watch list, here I can see we want this option. About this, I can also in my watch list, I can also remove the from this item. I can remove it, and then you can add the like this. I can also add this to my watch list, and I can see that this is here, and this is which I did and want. After watch list, we can go with the categories. So for category, this is the all category. We can see all the active listing here. As that trunk is not active, so it's not visible now in our active listing like this. So in category, let's start with equipment filter. We can see the elder one and the Harry Potter's one, which is made by the user one, and this one is made by some other user, the admin, which is the last part. User one is the create super user. The listing is the name and the item name and the price. Nothing like object one is making object item one as the, you can see the users here too, and watch list item. This is it. Thank you.